In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Brawlhalla offline on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over multiple steps that you can follow to ensure that you will be able to play Brawlhalla online. If you are getting this issue when you open the game and it just tells you that you are offline, then what you have to do is ensure that you have an account connected to the Google Play Store services or the Game Center if you are playing on an iOS device. So to summarize, for Android, you will have to connect to the Google Play Games account that you want to use, and on iOS, you will have to connect to a Game Center profile. Inside of the game, it should automatically detect if you have a network connection active, and it's going to give you the option to sign in with your accounts, but if it doesn't and you encounter yourself on the home screen without being signed in, just tap on the options icon, and in here, you will be able to go over to account link to see which accounts you currently have. If no accounts are present, then you can tap any option available. Usually, just go over to online play and the pop-up is going to appear immediately. So as you can see on my Android device, I'm prompted to sign in with my Google Play Games account. After you sign in with your Google Play Games or Game Center account on iOS, you will be able to access all of the settings including online play, ranked, see the battle pass, buy items in the store. It is extremely simple. Now, if it still doesn't work or for some reason you can't access the sign in prompt, then I would recommend either restarting or reinstalling the game completely and making sure that you have a stable internet connection. If the current network that you are using is not stable, then you could be having trouble accessing the online servers. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Brawlhalla offline mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.